In this video, I'll be showing you how Coach went from depressed to success. Before we step into the step-by-step process, this is his before. Let's get it. So first I'll start with my 2 guard, starting low around the occipital bone, just debulking the hair so we can see what we got up underneath. This step is very important before balding him out around the sides. Next, I will be using my Stylecraft clippers to give me a guideline starting at the C-cup. When this process is done, I go to my Babyliss trimmers and stay underneath that first guideline that I created using my Stylecraft clippers. Remember, stay low and not go all the way up to that guideline. This helps create that fade that the client is wanting. Next, I will be using my Babyliss Pro FX3s. Keeping it on low power and opening my blade all the way up starts my next guideline. Also, you want to go up about 1 inch in between guidelines so you can create space to drop back down and get that first guideline out. Next, I will be using my JRLs with my 1 guard on, going up a little bit higher to create my next guideline. This is a back and forth process. Afterwards, I drop back down and put my 0.5 guard on to get that guideline out. Now to take it a step further, I put my 1 guard back on and open my guard all the way up. Next, I'll be putting my 1.5 guard on and going up a little bit higher. This is the last step of using the guards to create that fade. And after this, you just want to go back and clean up whatever you missed. On this part, I'll be knocking his front hairline down with my 1 guard just a little bit so I can get his hairline extra crispy. Now before I shape him up, you want to pick the hair out to its fullest length to make sure his hair is all even before going to the next process. Now this process is not required, but my client wanted to cover some of the grays, so we used the Vegan Easy Color for Men. This color is really easy to mix. It's 1-to-1, and it comes with a brush where you can just rub it on. I like to start with the grayest part of his hair first, and after his hair is fully covered, I wait 10 minutes and then wash it out. And after this, I take it a step further. This process is not required as well, but my client wanted to look younger, so we did a skin treatment on him. If you ever want to get this process done with me, just get the OG special on my books and we'll make it happen. Make sure to press the option to add the color if you want the color, and we'll make that happen as well. This hand massager is really good for getting those stress pockets out of your scalp, out of your face, so your face can look younger and you can feel way much better. After we get his skin together, now it's time to use that straight razor and getting that mustache together. Next, I will be using that aloe vera shaving gel to get his line extra crispy. For all you barbers out there and at-home doers, I like to use a straight razor first and then come back with my trimmers. With doing it like this, the hairline lasts way longer than just using the trimmers. The straight razor is not required, but me personally, I like to use it. Next, I will be using enhancements for his hairline because he said he had somewhere to go to tonight. This spray that I use is a Vegan semi-color. It's 1-to-1, so 1 part of the color and 1 part water. This color and fiber lasts up to like a week, but everything up underneath will last up to about 3 to 4 weeks. Then I spray them down with that freeze it hold it spray for an extra hold, and then hair dry them down. Then I come back and use my trimmers for anything that I need to clean up. Now for the curls at the top, I will be using mousse and a hair sponge. this is the final result to his new look. I hope this tutorial helped you out in your new ventures. If you would, please like, share, and subscribe to my page. I will be doing more tutorials so you can fade like OG the Barber. I appreciate you.